Okay, let's try to find g prime x, okay? And to find this guy, and we will do implicit differentiation again, okay? Here we go. So let me take the derivative with this function, this equation, I'm sorry, okay? With respect to x, okay? And then like gx prime is g prime x, okay? That's it. But second term, x times sine of g of x, right? Which is product form, okay? X and sine, okay? To help you to understand this guy, let me use different color, okay? This is your first function, okay? And then this guy is your second function. It's okay? Let me use like two different color, okay? Here we go. So like product form, x prime is just one, right? Times second function, which is sine of g of x, okay? And plus first function, x times second function prime, okay? But keep that in mind, sine of g of x, okay, which is like chain rule, okay? Or we can say implicit, okay? So sine prime is cosine of g of x is inside function, then you have to multiply inside function prime, okay? That is the derivative of x times sine of g of x, okay? Now let me move to right-hand side, okay? Well, on the right-hand side, we have x squared only, right? X squared prime is really simple, right? It is 2x, okay? So now let's do the moving. We need g prime x, okay? So, okay, on the left-hand side, this guy, sine g of x must be moved to right-hand side. Otherwise, must live in left-hand side, okay? Here we go. G prime x plus x times cosine of g of x times g prime x is equal to 2x and minus sine of g of x, okay, which came from left-hand side, okay? And as we did in the previous problem, we can pull out your g prime x. Then let me write like this way, and the inside, like this guy, we pull out this one, then not the remaining is not 0, but it must be 1. Is that okay? Because we are talking about like multiplication, okay? Plus x times cosine of g of x, okay? Then right-hand side, 2x minus sine of g of x. Then let me divide by the coefficient of g prime x. Then your answer, g prime x equal to big fraction, 2x minus sine of g of x over 1 plus x times cosine of g of x.